Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to decorate your room linter with fairy lights. Here on the screen you can see cable clips. Look at that one. The different shapes and different measurement. This one is 4mm. You can buy this from any electric shop. Here, you just need to hold the fairy lights with the hammer. Just hit it gently. You need to do it for every single strip light. Now this way you can fully decorate the room linter. You can see I have done all my room. All the square of the room. And when you turn off the light, look at this. It's beautiful. You can decorate with many types of light, green, blue. This one is warm white. It's an easy process to make your room beautiful. I have just turned on my room main light, which is warm white. You can see the view of it. You can see with many different lights the view came out. When all the lights of the room turned off, you can see how it looks like. So thank you very much for watching the video. Take care and it's goodbye.